I'm starting with the most common one. Most people have thought of this, or actually at least entertained the idea of authoring a book, or you've already authored a book, right? Who here has already authored their book? Well, bravo to you, congratulations, and I know a lot of you are in process. The thing with a book is, I always say, having a book, the book itself isn't a huge revenue generator, the sales of the book, right? Because you might sell your book for $10 or $15 or $20. So how many books do you have to sell to generate a lot of revenue? However, the book sales are nice because that's gravy on top, right? You get a little bit of extra revenue when you sell your books. But I always say your book is like the business card that nobody ever throws away, because your book is creating credibility and visibility for you so that it can lead people to you, to your business, and to your higher ticket offers, right? So a book is a fantastic tool to grow your business with, and especially as a first thing to do. And if it sounds daunting to you, the whole idea of writing a book, I'm going to be sharing my email with you later. We have templates and we have publishing companies that we work with, and we are here to guide you through the process.